Hi there, welcome to Hollaboff's Happy Hour. It's December 21st, 2020, it's winter solstice. We're here in Calgary and the winter has just rolled in. The storm is here, we've got about 6 inches in the past 5 hours and it's supposed to snow for another 24 hours. So it's the holiday season, we're going to do homemade eggnog. Grab your shaker tin. Tonight we're using Sailor Jerry's. What I love about Sailor Jerry's spiced rum is it's 46% alcohol, about 10% stronger than the other brands, no artificial sugar and no artificial flavoring. So this is your go-to, Sailor Jerry. We're gonna grab our egg. We're gonna use the whole egg. A lot of people are scared of salmonella when it comes to eggs. The truth is 99% of salmonella comes from the outside of the shell, from being in the chicken coop. Any egg you're going to get has gone through a sanitation process and is super clean, so you don't have to worry. Whole egg. Now we're going to use some vanilla extract. We want about 1/8 of an ounce. Perfect. I'll be right back. My jigger's over here. Perfect. So now we're going to use 1.5 ounces Sailor Jerry's. Some nutmeg. If you want to use fresh ground nutmeg, that's cool too. I got the ground stuff already. I don't know, 5 or 6 shakes should do it. Personal preference, I guess. I'm going to put a couple dashes of chocolate bitters in there. Why not? The bitter is going to cut the sweetness a bit. This is a Scrappy's brand. Just a couple dashes. Add a bit of flavor, cut some sweetness. Now we're going to use whipping cream, nice and thick. It's going to froth up a bit when we shake it, and it's going to hold its body and give you that creaminess that we're used to when it comes to eggnog. 1 ounce of that, all right? And some simple syrup. You can check out one of our earlier videos teaching you how to make simple syrup. We're going to use a full ounce of that as well. Now we're going to grab some ice. I'll be right back. Anytime you're shaking or stirring, lots of ice. I use about 5 big cubes in there. Now we're going to give this bad boy a shake. We're going to shake it for a while. Grab your rocks glass. I'm going to grab a large rock. Large cube. You can order these molds online. They come in spheres. The cool thing about the large rock is it has less surface area, so it's going to melt slower. And that's going to hold the consistency of your drink longer, so it doesn't get watered down. Drop that in there. Grab your strainer. Looking good. Looking real good. Now I'm going to grab my microplane. I'm going to shave a bit of fresh cinnamon over top. Fresh cinnamon. Beauty. Now we're going to break that in half. I already broke one. And grab a lighter. We're going to light that on fire. Get a bit of smoke. Fill the room with that beautiful aroma. Boom. Homemade eggnog. Real simple, real delicious. Feliz Navidad. Cheers. That's Christmas. That's a good time. That's a good time. Cheers. Stay safe.